Hello everybody, good evening or good morning. This is a very short video I'm recording to show you our final part of our project. So we have seen that if you go to our project, okay, so third trimester, you see this is my project, right? So I'm going inside this folder and I have all these pages about books or whatever it is. So let's say I have my home page, right? So we created this home page. If I click on about books or about Kardashians or whatever your topic was, if I click on this, it goes to this web page, right? And I come back, you see this is my, I'm sorry, so here is my title, right? Whatever I'm clicking. So I go back and I go back to my home page. You see my title here, again it changes to home. So if you have done any mistakes, you have to correct all these things, right? And then I click on image gallery, and this image gallery we have added few effects, right? And again the title of the page is gallery here on the top. And then I go back to the home page. So now at the final part of the project, so that is today, that is today Tuesday on 18th and on 25th, that is 2 weeks you are going to work about on this project that's called about me. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to create a link from this text. If I click on this, you will have to create a new page, something like this. I have created my web page like this. This is my Hoja de Vida resume, right? So you can add few columns, few rows, and you can have your profile picture. Here I have personal profile like my name. Let me just expand this to set to default, right? So you see my web page fits 100% on my screen, and here I have my image. I have something called personal profile wherein I have put my name, date of birth, nationality, marital status, and education, from where did I study. So if I click on this, it goes to my university in India from where I studied, right? So in your case, you will add a link to Liceo de Colombia, right? And then here, this is my experience, and this is a small image about what I do. Like, I'm a software engineer, I design these things. And here I have posted a small YouTube video about my tutorials. Like, I do tutorials for students. So in your case, you can upload a very nice video about your family, about your parents, your mother, your father, your sisters, or about your friends in school, a short video which is there on YouTube, right? And here I have put about my achievements, like what are certificates I have, and here this is my contact details. Like, I have put my cell phone number and my email address. And finally, I have put the address where I live. For example, let's say I live in Portal Suva, near Portal Suva. So you guys can put your own address of your house or your nearby address where you live. So this is my resume. Okay, so I have taught you all these things, how you can create tables, how you can create columns, how you can add text, how you can add background images. So we have learned everything. So I am not going to teach you how to do this. I'm just going to show you what you have to do. So here, if I go back to my home page, right? The only thing what we have not learned is how to insert a map on this. I will show you in this video how to insert. Before that, if you see my folder, you see this is my project folder. Okay, this is my entire project. If I go inside, I have all these pages about Abdul, about books, my home page, everything is here, right? My gallery, everything will be here. And then if I go inside, you will see all the images what I have used are inside this images folder. So most of you have this thing wrong, that you have kept your images somewhere, your images are somewhere. So if you have, I had given last week to improve that, so you have to correct your project and show me the working project. So I start from again, I click on home page. This is my home page, you see it says here home, and then I go to about books. It's the about page, and I have a link to go back to my home page. Again I go to gallery, I come back to my home page, and I click on about me. It opens my resume, and then finally if I go back, I will get this home page. Okay, so now let's check how to add this. So I have this about me page which is already created. I'll open this page. Okay, I will open this page in Adobe Dream Viewer, and here in this column is where it was showing me. Here in this column it was showing me the Google map. So I will just show you how to add this map here. So first of all, let me delete this. Okay, so if you have this column blank, so what you will go is, will go to the code view here. Okay, so you will go to the code view here, and then if you click on the code view, you will see wherever the cursor is blinking, like here, the cursor is blinking here, right here, you see this is where my cursor is. So what I will do is, you see it is blinking, so I will delete only this part. Exactly, don't do any mistakes here, just delete this. And here we are going to insert the address of from the Google Maps. So how do we do that? So what you will have to do is, first of all, log into your Gmail account. Okay, log into your Gmail account, and then go to Maps, Google Maps. Let me just show Google Maps. Okay, so if I go to Google Maps, you have to log into Gmail account for this. Without that you cannot do. So then I will type the nearest address of my house. Let's say Portal Suba. Okay, so I will select this. So once you select this address, you will get all these options here on the left. Here you will get these options, right? So here you will have to click on share. So just click on share. If you click on share, here you will get two options, that is share link and embed map. So we'll have to click on this link that says embed map. So click on embed map. So once you click on embed map, it will show you how this is going to look. So here you can select the size, okay, or I'll say medium for me. And here you get this address like we used to get for the YouTube videos. So copy this iframe address completely, Control C on your keyboard, go to this dream viewer, and exactly here where we deleted, we are going to paste it here. Okay, so I will click here and I will paste, Control V to paste, and then save. I've already renamed. You see this is the title of my web page, about me, and then go to the design view. Okay, so now after that you can close this, and now if you refresh, you will see that the map, once you have a good internet connection, you will see that the map starts showing up on your web page. Okay, so this is a sample model of my resume. You're free, you're to do whatever you like, however you like. Try to be creative. You see I have given I have 1 2 3 4 rows, and in these rows I have split the rows to 2 columns, and I have 4 columns, and I have a link. This is very important. You have to have a link back to your home page and a link back to your resume. Okay, so I have uploaded a screenshot of this on your Schoology, how I have created. It is not important that you have to create exactly like how I have done. You're free to create, but you should have all these things like personal profile, education, experience, your achievements, and your contact details, your photo, your YouTube video, and a address where you live. Or if you want to add more, like for example, let's say hobbies, you can add that. Or if you want to say like my favorite personality, so you can put your favorite personality photos. So you are free to add however, but make sure all the data is visible and clear and readable, right? So I have uploaded these image, and I'll upload a link to this YouTube video on your exercise. So hopefully you should be able to complete this in the next 2 weeks. And these 2 weeks are also for you to improve your grades and improve your to improve your this activity of this trimester web page, if you have done something wrong. Okay, but I'll be not grading it out of 100, definitely out of 75. Okay, only for those who have not completed. Okay, so these 2 weeks are for you to create your personal profile, colorful resume on web page, and complete your project. So thank you and best of luck.